Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix the Sims 4 game not launching or stuck on launching screen or unable to launch on PC. So let's go through it. So the first method is to check system requirements. So make sure you check the system requirements of the game. So for that go to Steam. In the store option you need to select or search for the game. After searching for the game, go below and here you can find the system requirements to play the game on your PC. So make sure you fulfill all those requirements, and after that try to launch the game and check if it's launching or not. If not, next solution is to modify launch options. So make sure to modify the launch options. Go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, and under general in the launch option you need to type -dx11 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If not, then type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check if this solution works for you. If not, next is to run game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, go to the manage, then click on browse local files, and it will take you to the game folder where it has been installed. So simply select the installer over here. No, uh, go to the game folder, then bin, and here your game application is available. Right click on it, click on properties, and then click on compatibility, and here you need to click on run this program as an administrator, and after that hit on apply and OK, and then try to launch the game and check if it works. If not, then click on run this program in compatibility mode 4, select Windows 8 or Windows 7 and then hit on apply and OK. Check if this works. If it doesn't, then click on disable full screen optimization and then hit on apply and OK. And after that, try to launch the game and check if it's launching now. If not, next solution is to allow the Sims 4 through Firewall. For that, go to the search option over here, search for Windows Defender Firewall. Now click on allow an app or feature, then click on change settings, and here you need to check if your game has been listed over here. If not, then click on allow another app, then click on browse, then go to the folder where your game has been installed, and then click on game. Then here you need to select the application, click on open, and it will be added over here. Simply click on add option. So it has been added. Now select the game, make sure click on OK, and after that check if the game is launching or not. If not, next is to update Windows. So make sure Windows is updated. For that, go to the search option over here, search for check for updates. Here you can see Windows update page. If there is any update available, you need to check. For that, click on check for updates option, and if any update is available, simply update your Windows to the latest version, and after that try to launch the game and check if it's working or not. Next is to clear download cache. So for that, go to Steam, click on Steam option, then click on settings, and after that go below, click on downloads, and then here you need to click on clear cache option. So after clearing the cache, now check if the game is launching or not. Next solution is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam, under libraries section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, then click on install files, and after that click on verify integrity of game files. So after your game files are verified, now try to launch the game on your PC and check if it's working or not. Next solution is to check graphic settings of the game. So make sure your graphic settings are properly set up, like texture quality, shadow quality, resolutions, or others that directly impacts the game. Graphic settings when set up at higher, then it can impact the game and you cannot play. So make sure to set up the graphic settings to low, and after that try to launch the game and check if it's working or not. Next solution is to update graphics card. So for that, go to the search option over here, search for device manager. Now go below and expand the display adapters. Select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So This will search for the best drivers, install on your PC or update it, and after that try to launch the game and check if it's working. Apart from this, I have also mentioned the graphic card link of Nvidia and AMD in the description. Nvidia users or AMD users copy the link, and after that paste it in your browser and then select the details of your graphics card and download it and update your graphics card to the latest version. So after updating, now try to launch the game and check if it's working or not. Next solution is to stop overclock CPU and GPU settings. So sometimes overclocking makes the CPU or GPU unstable. So you are suggested to check if there is any overclocking of CPU and GPU in the background. If yes, then simply stop it, and after that check if the issue is resolved or not. Next is to check for game updates. So make sure your game is updated and not running in on outdated version. You can update the game by going to Steam, then under library section select your game, and here you can see if there is any update available. After updating the game, try to launch the game and see if it's launching or not. Next solution is to close unnecessary background tasks. So for that, go to the taskbar settings, then click on task manager, and under processes tab you need to check if there is any apps that is consuming high resources or of no use. So you need to click on end task. So after selecting, simply select the app that is of no use and then right click on it and then click on end task. So this will close the app that is running in the background and which is hampering your gameplay. After that, try to launch the game and check if it's launching or not. Next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that I have provided the link in the description. Just copy it and go to your web browser, paste it, and after that go below, and from here you need to download the Visual C++ files on your PC. After downloading, install the Visual C++ files, and after that try to launch the game and check if it helps you. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So for that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on properties, and here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in game. It is enabled, so you simply need to click on it and it will be disabled. So after this, try to launch the game and see if it's working or not. Apart from this, for GeForce Experience users, go to GeForce Experience, click on the gear icon beside username, then click on general, and after that switch off in-game overlay from here. For Discord overlay, go to user settings, click on game overlay tab. Now switch off enable in-game overlay option from here. After that, check if it's launching or not. Next is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the search option over here, search for graphics settings. After that, here you need to find your game app is listed or not. If not, then click on add desktop app, go to the game folder where it has been installed, and from here you need to select the game and add it. So after adding it, go below and search for it. Here it is. Click on the arrow icon, and under GPU preference you need to select high performance. So after selecting high performance, now try to check if the game is launching or not. If not, the final solution is to reinstall the Sims 4 game. So when nothing works, then it's time to reinstall the game. So for that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage, and then click on uninstall option over here, and again click on uninstall. So this will delete the game from your system. After that, restart your PC once your PC restarts, again launch Steam and download or reinstall the game once again on your PC, and after that try to launch. Hopefully this time you can launch the game and play it without any further problem. So these are few solutions that are suggested to fix the Sims 4 not launching or unable to launch error on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.